In this video, we're going to derive the moment generating function for a Bernoulli random variable. So let's start by just writing it down. So the moment generating function mx of t is just the expected value of e to the power of t times x. Now this is equal to, for the Bernoulli distribution, the sum from x equals 0 up to 1, because the sample space is just that x can be 0 or 1, that's it, of e to the tx times the probability mass function of our Bernoulli random variable. So let's think about when x is 0. So when x is 0, we've just got e to the power of t times 0, and that's timesing by the probability that x is 0. We'll come back and fill that in a second. Now let's think about when x is 1. It's just going to be e to the t times the probability that x is the number 1. Now, of course, e to the t times 0 is just e to the 0, which is 1. So this is simply equal to the probability that x equals 0 plus e to the t times the probability that x is 1. Now, what is the probability that x is equal to 0? Well, for a Bernoulli random variable, this is just 1 minus p. So we've got 1 times 1 minus p. And the probability that x is 1 is just p. So this is e to the t times p, okay? So this is when x has a Bernoulli distribution with parameter p. And so what we end up with is just 1 minus p plus p e to the t. That is the moment generating function for a Bernoulli random variable. Notice as well that the domain of this function is that t can be any real number, because it will converge for anything because the sum is finite. So this is true, not just for specific values of t, but t can be any real number here and we're fine. Thank you so much for watching.